Right then, so this is where we're going to apply some finish. It's all been nicely sanded down, all the edges are lovely, looking good now. So what I'm going to use is some wax. I've made this myself with beeswax and carnauba wax. It's what they use for car polish. It's really good for wood. And then something to apply it with, in this case an old pair of pants. So waste not, want not. So let's get started. You'll see the colour change on this now. It'll go a nice deep colour as we rub it in. Whoa, look at that. There we go. There you can see that now. That change in colour where it goes deeper. It's a deeper, darker colour in this section here than it is on the outside where it looks dry. This nourish the wood as well and seal it up. And it'll be all nice and glamorous once we finish this. Get it all on there. Can go on quite thickly with this really, because it'll just rub off again. I can use the excess in other parts of the clock, so it doesn't really matter too much. So take this bit and do the edge now. You can see there the difference. Looks beautiful. And that'll just seal up all the grain on the wood as well. Stop it taking on any moisture. Good. Give it a good rub in. Just like so. Carefully. There we go. You can see the contrast. That looks lovely. There we go. Beautiful. Right. Just get this corner of this razor blade just to get the excess wax out. So we can get the centre to stick. There we go. All the way around. Lovely. So front, back, front, back. Right, let's do the rear. There we go. Beautiful. Give that a good rub in. Excellent. Right, let's pick a dry side on here so you can get the excess off. There we go. Lovely. Look at that. Look at the colour in that. Beautiful. Beautiful grains, striations. Fantastic bit of wood that. Looks great. Once you got that wax on there, looks absolutely stunning. Real depth in the wood then. Gives it a nice sheen. So there you go. That's got to dry overnight. Let the paraffin in the wax to evaporate away, and then it should leave a nice protective layer on there. And then ultimately, once we've got, I mean, this one's been coloured, but once we've got a middle cut for it, can make any colour. So this one's teal. We can do green, black, white, all sorts of colours. The hands, we make these as well. They can be any shape, size. Of course, I do need to cut the mechanism hole for it at the back yet, but I'll do that once we're dry. But that's the blank. Obviously that's going to go in and poke through there. So we're ready to go.